Welcome to the FXCM guide to our proprietary platform, Trading Station. FXCM is devoted to providing our clients with the highest level of support when using the platform. We take pride in providing intuitive functionality and readily accessible trading tools. It is our hope that this guide provides a foundation for users to navigate the various features and information available in Trading Station. After opening the platform, the first thing that you see are the red and blue flashing rates. This is the Advanced Dealing Rates window. Here, you can see quote boxes with information on specific currency pairs as defined by the symbol abbreviation at the top of the box. Directly to the right of the symbol is the time the exchange rate last changed. Each symbol quote box contains both a buy or ask and sell or bid price. When a price flashes red, it represents a downward movement. When a price flashes blue, it means a rate has just moved higher. Press on the buy price to place a long trade. Press on the sell price to enter a short trade. The difference between the price at which you can buy a pair and the price at which you can sell a pair is called the spread. The spread can be seen already calculated in the middle of the quote box right underneath the symbol. Below the spread, you can see the pip cost for the pre-selected trade amount found at the bottom of the quote box. The pip cost is the amount you gain or lose for every pip movement in that currency pair. To the left and right of the pip cost is the rollover. Rollover is the interest paid or earned for holding a position overnight, past 5 p.m. Eastern. Each currency has an interest rate associated with it, and because Forex is traded in pairs, every trade also involves two different interest rates. Roll S is the rollover received per 10K if you sell the currency pair, and roll B is the rollover received per 10K if you buy the currency pair. At the very bottom of the quote box, you can select the trade size for one-click trading. This will be set to the base unit size of your account by default. You can only change the trade size here if you are using one-click trading. That covers the Advanced Dealing Rates window. Now we are going to take a look at the Simple Dealing Rates window. The Simple Dealing Rates window can be accessed by clicking the tab to the right of the Advanced Dealing Rates. This window is an alternative to the Advanced Dealing Rates. The first column shows the symbol that represents a currency pair. It is then followed by a sell and buy price. When a price flashes blue, it means the price has just moved higher. When a price flashes red, it represents a downward movement. Press on the buy price to place a long trade, and press on the sell price to enter a short trade. Immediately following the sell and buy prices is the spread. The difference between the price at which you can buy a pair and the price at which you can sell a pair is called the spread. After the spread, you will see columns labeled high and low. As their names imply, the rates indicated in these columns represent the highest and lowest prices the currency pair has hit during the current trading day. After the high and low of the day, you can see the rollover rates. Rollover is the interest paid or earned for holding a position overnight or past 5 p.m. Eastern. Each currency has an interest rate associated with it, and because Forex is traded in pairs, every trade also involves two different interest rates. Roll S is the rollover received per 10K if you sell the currency pair, and roll B is the rollover received per 10K if you buy the currency pair. The next column is pip cost. Pip cost is the amount you gain or lose per lot for every pip movement in that currency pair. The next column is commission. Commission provides the estimated cost to be charged for a one-lot position round turn, open and close. The commission shown is per 1K. Mini accounts will not have a commission column. After the commission, you can see the MMR column. This stands for Minimum Margin Requirement and displays the margin value required per 1K to open a position. The final column in simple dealing rates is labeled time, and this shows the last time the exchange rate changed. The next part that we will be covering is the symbols list. The symbols list will not be opened by default, and if you don't see it, you can display it by going to View and pressing Symbol List. The symbol list is used to select which currency pairs you want to trade. Only active symbols can be traded. An inactive symbol will not be displayed in dealing rates and cannot be looked at on a chart. Double-click on a symbol to add or remove it. An active symbol will be displayed in a bold blue font, while an inactive symbol will be displayed in a plain black font. Symbols are separated into categories. You can toggle which categories are displayed in the symbols list by clicking on the plus or minus sign next to the category. Users are limited to a maximum of 20 active symbols at a time. You can also search the symbols list by using the search bar right below the Symbols List tab. To the right of the Rates window, we have a window that contains 3 tabs. The first tab is the News tab. The News window provides traders with useful market information directly from our educational resource, DailyFX. The number on the News tab provides the total number of unread news items in the window. All subscriptions list the feeds that you are subscribed to. They can be organized into groups. All the feeds and groups of feeds are included in the default root group, All Subscriptions. Clicking on the plus sign will show the categories, and clicking on the minus sign will hide the categories. You can choose a feed or a group of feeds from which you want to view a news item. Manage opens the Manage Subscriptions dialog box. You can subscribe to or unsubscribe from feeds and define settings for the feeds in this box. Filter allows you to search news topics by certain text. The next tab to the right of the News tab is the Messages tab. This is where you will see any messages you receive from FXCM. The first column provides an icon indicating the message type. The next column, Time, provides the date and time when the message was received. The From column indicates the message's sender, and the Text column provides the subject of the message. After Messages, you will find a tab labeled Actions. This window provides a log of all the activity performed on your account. The first column provides an icon indicating the action status. Actions lists a description of the actions performed. The actions are grouped by days. Sent Time provides the date and time when a request for the action was sent. Completed Time shows the date and the time the action was completed, or processing if the request is in progress. And the Comments column provides any remarks on the action. Below the Dealing Rates and News windows, you will find the Accounts window. This window shows all pertinent account information. The Account column shows your account number. The Equity column provides the floating value of funds on the account, including profits and losses on open positions. The Day P&L column provides the profit and loss for the current trading session. This only includes the trading activity, not deposits and withdrawals. Day P&L resets at 5 p.m. Eastern Time or 10 p.m. GMT. Used MR is used margin. Usable MR is usable margin. Usable MR percent is usable margin percentage. Used maintenance margin is used maintenance margin. Usable maintenance margin is usable maintenance margin. Usable maintenance margin percentage is the usable maintenance margin percentage. All the information on what these margin labels mean can be found in the Trading Station PDF user guide or on fxcm.com. The gross P&L column provides the total profit and loss for current open positions excluding commission and rollover. The MC column denotes the status of margin call on your account, and the type column informs the user of the account's hedging capability. The window in the lower half of the screen is where you'll find tabs used to keep track of positions. Note that the Open Positions tab will not be opened by default. To display this tab, go to View and then press Open Positions. This tab shows you information about your open positions. The Ticket column provides the unique ID number of your open position. The Account column provides your account number. The Symbol column provides the currency pair of the position. Used MR is the used margin and is the amount of margin used to maintain the open position. Amount provides the amount of the open position in thousands. SB provides the trade operation of the position. If the trade operation is S, the position is short. If the trade operation is B, the position is long. The Open column provides the price at which the position was opened. The Close column provides the price at which the position can be closed at the moment. P&L provides the current profit or loss of the position in pips. Gross P&L provides the current profit or loss of the position in the account currency. OpenCom provides the amount of commission that has been charged for opening the position. The amount is expressed in the account currency. The column may be hidden if commission is not applicable to the account. CloseCom provides the estimated amount of commission to be charged for closing the position. The amount is expressed in the account currency. For details, see the Trading Commission section. The column may be hidden if commission is not applicable to the account. The Roll column is the rollover interest and provides the amount of rollover interest received or paid for the position on rollover. Net P&L provides the amount of current profit or loss of the position. The amount includes rollover interest, commission that has been charged for opening the position, and the estimated commission to be charged for closing the position. The profit or loss is expressed in the account currency. The Time column provides the date and time when the position was opened. The next tab that we're going to look at is the Summary tab. This tab summarizes all your open positions. The Symbol column provides the symbol of the position. The Used MR column is used margin and is the amount of margin used to open or maintain the open position. Amount shows the size of the position in thousands. Average open shows the average price at which the position was executed. Close shows the price at which a position can be closed at the moment. Gross P&L provides the current profit or loss of the position in the account currency, excluding commission and rollover. Open commission is the commission charged to open the trade. Close commission is the estimated commission that will be charged to close the trade. Roll is the rollover interest and provides the amount of rollover received or paid for the position. Net P&L provides the amount of the current profit or loss of the position. The amount includes rollover interest, the commission that has been charged for opening the position, and the estimated commission to be charged for closing the position. The profit